What has it meant to you to be the ambassador for the Geelong Disability Expo?
It's such a privilege and an honour. When you guys asked me to be it, I was ecstatic. It's like, oh my gosh, speaking in my hometown and to represent people with disabilities is huge. Events like the Geelong Disability Expo are vitally important to the disabled community. This is a one-stop shop. It requires far less energy to come to an expo and have a look around at all the different services that you wouldn't normally know that are out there and engage and talk to them rather than just a piece of paper or a number on a card. Your own self-worth, to be employed, it's huge. You know, once upon a time, people with disabilities were put into institutions and forgotten about, whereas nowadays, you know, we have the capacities to still contribute to society and to make our own money. Not all of us, but those that want to can. And with events like this and with NDIS, we are able to do that. It's fantastic to see the WorkAbility Expo here today and actually go and talk face-to-face with people and find out the information that you need to get back into employment. A more inclusive world looks like where there are no barriers whatsoever and we can just go about our daily lives without having to worry about things that are a major barrier to someone with a disability. Obviously, we're making great strides with things, but we still have a lot of work to do.
Justine, your favourite word is moxie. Do you want to explain to us what is moxie?
Moxie means grit, determination, passion, courage and resilience. I've been known as the Queen of Resilience for quite a few years now, but there's more to me than just being resilient. And I have got that grit, that determination and that passion. So the word moxie is a very old-fashioned word and I'm trying to make it into the new buzzword.